Here's a problem related to the headphones. I just plugged in a USB microphone there into the USB port and there is no sound in the headphones. Why is that? Well, if I come here to the right side to the speaker and click on it, it says Super Lux. Well, Super Lux is my microphone. So since this one has a built-in sound card, then it's using for playback the microphone. Well, the microphone is not a playback device. It doesn't have speakers, so it should not use that one. So in this case, right click on the speaker, go to sounds. Okay, and on this window, go to playback up here, playback, and choose the speaker as the default device. I can even disable that one, but use, let's say, the headphone. Set as default communication device. So now every sound will be played back on this device. And close it with OK. And now if I click on the headphones icon, now it's sending the sound there. So now I should have sound here.